Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars for beginners. First, let's cover the absolute essentials. You'll learn to navigate the arena using the joystick and aim your attacks with precision. Mastering these basic controls is crucial for success. Remember to use the environment, like bushes, for tactical advantage and collect power cubes to boost your brawler's health and damage. These foundational skills are key to starting your journey. Every brawler in the game possesses distinct attacks and a powerful super ability that charges during combat. It's vital to practice aiming your shots to hit your targets effectively. Consider your brawler's strengths and weaknesses to understand their best role within a team. Upgrading your brawlers with power points and coins unlocks star powers and gadgets, significantly enhancing their capabilities and offering new strategic options. Brawl Stars offers several exciting game modes, each with unique objectives. In Gem Grab, your team must collect 10 gems and hold them for 15 seconds to win. Showdown is a battle royale where you aim to be the last brawler standing. Brawl Ball challenges you to score 2 goals against the enemy team. Heist requires you to destroy the opponent's safe while defending your own. Understanding these goals is key. To truly excel, consider playing with friends to coordinate strategies and enhance your teamwork. Watching experienced players can also provide valuable insights into advanced tactics. Make sure to complete your daily quests. They offer excellent rewards like coins, power points, and star drops, which are essential for progression. Joining a club allows you to participate in club leagues, earning even more exclusive rewards and fostering a sense of community.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.